Good morning, YouTube. We're at the Dona Elvira Apartments. Fancy a room tour? This is room 103. I'll take you in and show you about. Okay, let's go left into the bedroom. I've got to say the beds are very comfortable. Wardrobe with a safe inside. We've got a small balcony from the bedroom. Not really overlooking much, but the main balcony is a bit better. Okay, from the bedroom to the bathroom, which is decent. There. Walk-in shower. Seems to work well. Plenty of hot water. Okay, into the living area and the kitchen.
Hello. It's a good kitchen area. Microwave. Plenty of cups, plates, washing facilities. Decent sized fridge and freezer as well.
All good. A nice sofa, which is comfortable, and I think that turned into a double bed, I think. Not that we need that. The big fan there. The TV. Smart TV, look. There's me. And the main balcony. The sun's only just rising, it's early in the morning, it's like 8 o'clock. There we go. There's our view of Puerto Rico, the pool. And the Dona Elvira Apartments, or Dona Elvira, not sure how you pronounce it. Nice place.